Assembly na nkaim say me pese me busa woni listo.
Okay.
About how to folk goalkeepers no. Solomon Agbasi and Benjamin Asare. Yenim say Benjamin Asare na number 1 goalkeeper. E dey ma how to folk. When you a chance e ko pie mo our Black Stars. Ya yusu na ko pry our Black Stars. E man de ba Accra to folk. Oba no guso or receive treatment. Na onim penifo din koma. No me ete ye ne say as at last week now we do 70%. The fitness level na do 70%. Tre say akabe 30 na nka say we do 100 and sa. Na any match bi a person de ne tum bi ultimate de ne tum. Na enam say na onye fully fit nti coach and den de Dramani ye na adwen say Sadia me de Benjamin ye friend say Solomon Agbasi ebetu go post nim. Solomon so koda go post nim no. Save boy, save number 1. Waje adwuma ni nyina. Enti kam say akoye den e de amako didi Dramani say senior attacker no we don't change a winning team. Enti onhu say oyi Benjamin Asare wo ye ne number 1 goalkeeper e de free goal post ni mu e de abrante e fe no oyi Solomon Agbasi free no goal post ni mu no de Benjamin Asare aba betum ayeden enu ane enne say already tabloids ahodo no ene portals ahodo a amanfo nso ahyase link Benjamin Asare to Kotoko because say Kamara is living and to say a hono ba bedam pan a adentina Kumasa Sante Kotoko enhyase any abrante fe ne Benjamin Asare enim komo na omeye number 1 Kumasa Sante Kotoko eno be ma na kwanya to say the one akwanya wa hard to for because otoado ame ate asese we the number 1. Do you think say the ababa bonten did Dramani as ohun ni oye onfa Benjamin na enko tupo posum anaso maintain Agbasi menim amenju adwen che kakra emfa ho Benji mame sha sem free ho
Soja anka we nye issue one of the most easiest decision making of football football yewo enkophobia even on the field of play they have special places and special rules and mom goalkeepers only goalkeeper nkwana so pra or opportunity or say no e opportunity man no to no
your man is our time
no ni 16-year box yen challenging 16-year box ni mo a foul against who player no
yeah
and they have a lot of opportunities and on nkwan so ne nkwafa ye wo ye 3 but the whole season the afan so number 1 no all better games ni nyina ko season na be na wie ayi say yare abo no ana we pra
ana waje accumulated cards
maybe ontimi enyinam yen change no enye ne hwe yen ka se ball no abre inti first half yen change nemfu bi mra inti no one of the easiest decision ha senyusu Real Madrid then as a caveat Madrid de lusu Thibaut Courtois for Champions League game started for almost group stages for almost a whole season Andrew Lunin and the that post save upon say what you say or now you so 17 position in the team only the Real Madrid to Champions League finals finals league matches no that e could be bia people got to hotel no buy no the Madrid technical team no didn't think twice Oman you who too cry
is their number 1
is number 1
yeah
and found say what say no so first a club nenya say gire no so no e the club number 1 no or number 1 or buy no obeda against Dortmund how a friend saying Madrid edge trophy and or buy no who say experience wise say if Madrid you sue Andre Lunina your boss will not count to lose Champions League no into one issue but the problem no the person or goalkeeper trainer
okay
Najao Kotoko no buy and no make same mistakes Kotoko Ojaho within Asare
Frederick Asare
and Danlad
yeah
that's my problem the person who created Kotoko problem is now at out of folk
or creative problem no Kotoko sasan
okay me too mu say the situation now only coach Ogun one don't make a decision say I feel they do no yema with that 3 games they were not certain on who to rely on say when they first goalkeeper. Meanwhile, at that time, now Asare so nya collapse with the national team. I was an opportunity to be in post now was save the national team slot. By a Ben said that lad is captain of the team. And to the lad about 3 days. And now 3 games are 4 games. Now Yama Kamala Baba to be
Yama Asare.
Asare so a fence now Asare so the Abba. And some problem no. Naja went to me on solve some problem ni elho. But to me, they have made him commodity do no. Every House of Folk fan should relax. Benjamin Asare will be imposed.
Is he fit?
Oh, yeah, fit. Asare started training. House of Folk. I bought 1 matches. Matches I started from Adriana. What I say it. Almost started from Adriana. Echo ball 1 match. Adriana by. I be home. I was Hasakubo Bidiama. Asare started training. Come on, Hasabobe 3 to 4 matches.
Okay, just Asare fit.
Oh, me see how he fit.
Is he happy?
Asare is happy.
Oh, yeah, sure.
I'm telling you. And come here, cause we see. Omoko media game no. Asare was supposed to be imposed. Media game no.
But because then they deal with team sheet no so.
Yeah, team sheet no so. Who say officials and say club no be can your squad list.
Okay.
No more diama social media for no to prepare omo flyer for handles no nya omo pussy. Asare was the number 1. Sunday and a problem game no. Asare nya stomach upset.
Yembe ne ya.
Ebe ne ya, start run here so.
That moment now.
Yes.
I know them so number 1 no.
And you say you already been for your man.
Oh, yet I say but a draw on so.
But no. So yeah, Mbappe. Me sorry, yeah, Mbappe be do Champions League. One by almost say afede oyare. Inti already eba.
Na make say say him.
Of course, inti them fans are number 1.
A bit to me for joy like yare.
What I say?
Me yare, I don't want to play this game. You who say sit them.
Okay, inti but per medical report no oyare.
No yare. Okay.
So they need to drop him to the bench. Inti you call a bench one plan. Nidin ewo list so but once na bench wo.
No stands.
Na or stands him.
Okay.
Inti me come made come edu no. See, House of Folk will never gamble with World Cup money. Let me repeat it. House will never gamble with World Cup money. But I couldn't acquire no. Danla de bro mbe $100,000 be.
Bro kotoko.
Sorry, a free banner. Banner be House of Folk. It's a way of money opportunity. They will not gamble with it. I'm telling you. I'm more beyond that now. I say people are creating
on so
yeah, me say no news because he will be imposed. Sunday coming. Saturday, sorry. Asare will be imposed.
Would you advise Benjamin Asare?
Of course.
Say the Ekwe.
Bibi no akwa eko. Bibi anko you.
Bibi no meko. Now me number 1, my banner still am to bencha.
Mama.
Would you advise him say team for be bar?
Any advisable. I'm be honest with you. Any advisable.
Okay.
Any advisable. Because Asare knows. He knows say he's the number 1.
Why renew the contract to that so far?
Of course. Only be ampre ho. I'm be honest with you say player ne pra akotene chaba. Oba ye no afa no starting the rehab abi rem. Omabo 3 matches. Baku aduana abebo ho match sase akọ a friend say Mediama. He was supposed to be imposed Mediama. Enonya absent anopano. So they need to change him. Normally Agbasi. Agbasi does not have any problem. He knows that Asare is the number 1. See, House of Folk, the only advice I can give to them say they should have proper plan because many has and after World Cup, Asare contract and they are and prepare way for Agbasi to take over. No more pay young goalkeepers and from Omeka.
Is it Schwab or is it Schwab or Schwab?
Saibun de mention engineer Nisa. Honestly, I'll be honest.
A question
Ketia Muna Omumpe Ara son cry be no mama can we won. Now expense. Into any issue. As a media ne propagate my issue and Nina no if you be a fiba.
A friend ever.
Baby fiba Nina no. Akwa say bi mo ho no I say one more person Asare beko World Cup no nti no omo ayi of course a lot of people say omo national team side no
okay
omo say omo on convince omo say
wa convince o
of course
okay
football lack e ka ho I'm telling you nti Asare there me say there's no cause for me anyhow Asare be imposed has to focus him so number 1 obedem. So no, he will still be imposed to build the confidence until say he will get it. Now World Cup, Abro Muska was 1. supporter no press Agbasi ade fa no to no stadium say na say what say has place no miska akakem
yeah
papa no or phone no need so the players ne ka wo nti ade bia this can be bia no he will not compromise on it. Okay. And be honest with you, and Didi Domani coach, he knows all the technical bench they know nti na Jagu Yakubu should know better. Say your number one. Who will gamble your national team number one?
You're number one.
I'm telling you.
Every club.
Now when
you're number one. When you come to possible. Aziz
Zakaria.
Number one
is number one.
Any other goalkeepers are when it's MTN FA Cup.
Wamukokoda.
And to say Aziz is a prayer. Now say ABR. Yama different goalkeeper.
Aziz
Babaka.
No.
Allow him to come and do the purpose.
And then say or number one for Haseku. Or say number one for Ghana. Black Stars neka one say no. Inchano de mobia omo mo yesari nyina no say we na. Has the man say wo mo de Agbasi a kire. Say Agbasi croy second goalkeeper no kra no. Hwe dia eko intino or say Black Stars edi two ni nyina.
Is a good goalkeeper.
Enunta make sure say they should find plan. Now your co-cap but munya Asare kwan. So that Agbasi can come and take over.
Okay.
Not all the team like then because I believe say Asare was a short-term plan. Why is just in the plan we Agbasiaba after World Cup akro benya no fa bi mesi dan MPK bi ne ajapade bi say advance obi no chefutu because opportunity has that blessing no enough.
All right. Meda say eno ya benji na ya tene nka no ma men call list ho na membusa list on so listo.
Yeah.
Benjamin Asare Solomon Agbasi issue nka say list Benji amiate asese problem a najao e kreti wo kotoko time na your very own Frederick Asare one dan lad ono so your boys na omo kotoko go post ni ma I say we hu say we na da ana we na also da we da ba ko na we abeda san kreti confusion ema two goalkeepers no ama do stage bi omo no mo abonten no esusu say two goalkeepers no problem. The same thing ena eba or hard to folk asa naja wa bepie mu ewo ho. Do you think say Benjamin Asare ho atono na wa babaka o sententem so naja onya kokodro na o try me drop Solomon Agbasi no use Benjamin Asare?
Well, I'm sure sir we are management member or technical team head who football club will take a decision now. You don't behave like supporters because supporters lives in the moment. They are always living in illusions. Supporter will back or expect to say opponent now and then question 10 then energy.
Yeah.
But football is not like that. Supporter back or him so me team need you could trafa. New opponent.
Yeah.
But who as a coach, who as players, more as technical heads, you know, say you are going to meet 11 players almost prepare eba shiamu. And we can what I say. To one say, oh, Muluswa, na supporters in the fool, no mu Tomusa, no mu yewe, your massa, my way. No more call. The same supporters in Sadia China Washa, a young beside Abuajo. That is a supporters. And it is not out of place. Say supporters and who say Solomon Agbasi yeden. Yes saves upon saves, big saves near the other. Now you know believe say on to us. But mona mu take decisions no. You what? You take professional decisions, not emotional driven decisions.
So then a professional decision and then a emotional decisions.
Professional decision in say mo captain and mo first choice goalkeeper and Black Stars number one.
Yeah.
It is not like say why then we lose form and yes be odam ye bogum and you were pra it will return there shouldn't be any conversation.
Okay.
Me yes sure say people are almost obi nya happy say Asare enko work up na say ni team we drop na sa nipa no ti abonte na o ka say mama Asare ye fa ne nko work up no or no any relevance in any saying. You know what I say? Yeah. Because at the end of the day, has for any benching and also manabo. You know what I say? The decision solely lies on the House of Folk to take whatever anybody says outside. You know, any problem. It shouldn't be a matter in a scheme of things. You know what I say? Eddie Nkomo Mishemitie we interview bi. Opare, I don't know say if
Kwame.
No one nanuma sem anase doctor anase we. Ono na sem o can say the decision to select number 1 to be imposed lies in the hands of the goalkeeper's trainer. Asema Oparado meti wo interview. Think me on social media interview.
So Oparado nim ne kasa.
Oh yeah.
This is Okasa.
Oh, there be betima but say betima doctor dia ba beto abonten. What you say? Sir, if that is the position of the communication head of House of Folk, then there is a big problem. There's a big problem.
Say goalkeeper's trainer a bit take decisions.
No, goalkeeper's trainer be taking decision, man.
And I say we no also order.
Goalkeeper trainer be taking decisions, saying.
Maybe he trains with them.
The moment I'll be raising our conversation, it means first choice, there is doubt.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, parade say be I remember say we are kakra. Ni amo atranche so list to one hwe chiri kakra ma. Na ho to ne ka say sisi e twen se to gbe ba be ka say wo bra be yes substantive and I say wo bra be to adwuma so and I say me a in the hands of a to gba and in the hands of Alaja Kambia.
You wouldn't be happy.
Will you be happy?
No.
You will not be happy. So why should you make such
comment?
Me was so rubbish all the conversation now question say Frederick Asare is the first choice goalkeeper. Ewa crowds for no one say captain we pra. So say goalkeeper trainer and I say medical staff ni so ye fitter. He will return to the post. There shouldn't be any conversation at all.
Yes, I'm to the can I said or parent come with day.
Yes, on and there is a problem going on.
Okay.
Or no, because we are management member. Una okasa edema team ni nyina. Let me what you say. So you get briefing from what? I hear the technical team. Ubenya briefing from the management. Tisa uba be kasa about technical issue la. Yes, captain you now kasi oba ofi on one upon a deputy man captain
Kevin.
Now bana kasi oba coach ni be decide say ono me captain and asasi be me captain. Oba so say. And yet the right words no way they will use here. And yet the right words you don't create such conversation because Metma catcher said there are a lot of people are only happy with Asare or other blasters, and there is a lot of people only happy. Yeah. So when we raise a conversation, we say eba right. The only thing I want to say, who create unnecessary pressure at the amano. Now any save be able to net to be because I've seen the man can.
Is Asare but that has go post my man for be marking.
And maybe when he say he's experienced enough to deal with whatever obstacles are there. But I feel say the conversation around who should be imposed, who should be number 1 in your bullshit, your nonsense. Yes, a pianim. And yes, a pianim. If so them and your bonashano, there. And course, everybody say, when you try second choice goalkeeper now. What I say, no problem. But nipa no your first choice. But them with the amawa, what them want the amawa. And it is not as if say who can say you winning team.
Yeah.
Oh we need we Oh we need we media mabogum, you ko bogum. It's winning team na e has team nothing no mo team no. And has problem
or any performance
oh you see
say or that go post no man he's doing good
Agbasi Agbasi one of the best goalkeepers in Ghana both abroad and bebia ono mistakes are there by House of Folk and then they say oh yeah champion Confederation Cup semi-finalist he was the best goalkeeper in that tournament
yeah.
No doubt about that. He can obey man number 1 with team Bia Organ Habia.
Yeah.
Or call team Bia obey them. But the point is that Nipa no so beto no. Ono so to me I be like the time I hear Asare then I call Blasters. Na yi best goalkeeper in Ghana na dey am say Kobe o say dey o refiana. So it means that he was not the best goalkeeper. But at that time, Blasters technical team knew realizing who said, no, this is the quality be or you here where Blasters and no matter how you look at it, so Ujini me makasem injinindi. But so Ujini so injinindi. He is delivering, he is doing the job. Oh yeah, Jumane Diama Blasters has known to me your Jumane farmer. So as of folk and only what the boastful say they are blessed with what? Two wonderful goalkeepers.
Yeah.
Edu Brebia. Na
James Nano, Samir J. Na
Nanu ya. Ayine
Kasi Ata Richard Ata.
Ata everywhere ayi bedemupe na nkofo adwalai. Na manfo adwa say ayi nyaade. Chairman eko bon kwan ama afi no to me nda biem no. House of folk benya goalkeeping crisis. Yeah. Benya goalkeeping problem. Yeah. To find ketia bi be de mu ni ade a.
Sinketia.
Amfa. Make what I say. So if today you have two wonderful goalkeepers, I was so proud. You don't create confusion.
As I say, fee. And on best somebody else.
Yes.
Because
we are technical way because now make supporters can start conversation.
Yeah.
Supporters raise conversation all the time. But Muna mu take a decision. No, you don't have to behave as supporters.
Okay.
Adia naja uye wo kotokono no. Danlad ako work up aba. Edi yen local Blasters akwaba. Edi under 23 akwaba. Obana says kotoko supporters Canada lad danlad yehuni ye danlad yehuni ya ni yinesi nchan.
The Frederick Aba.
Near the Frederick Ada Aba. Frederick too many opportunity a call Blasters. Emma ya castle or penance and padwea the reflexes in the BBA Otuado.
Okay.
All of a sudden, near Kwakofa Kamara, near the Nababi Yababi Yino. Never gonna want to say. So when one person say Oko o Kotoko, that's our problem we ho. Now Bahas, that's the same issue as our rise here. Now question mark here then. Don't behave as supporters. Has to folk in any case, has to folk problem has never been goalkeeping, especially this season.
Nice and Naja to me managing a role near.
And I'm because it's
to hard to folk.
It's the dorsum.
Only boss. Until me Jan
Chelsea Kofa, where Chelsea way. Oh, be as a Chelsea goalkeeper Nasa. Chelsea for Kwasa, Yabema Sanchez, Yabema not them. Now we Spain from a year way. Spain for own nationality. When you say the Jada Suda Edago, Emma Florentina.
Yeah.
Barcelona goalkeeper no so Spanish. The owo beba no so Spanish. Arsenal number 1 so then Spanish. Yet your first Sanchez na wiase nyina sa wasa. Na Chelsea go for goalkeeper for Chelsea go for goalkeeper for Chelsea for say da.
Okay.
The yen won mu no. Until says I dey ni be pie no. Obedem sa. Omo ma ni dem sa ene Sanchez what is obi kan asem. That is how our professionals mu take a decision. It's a journey between now because we are what? We speak on the things we see.
Yeah.
It's Agbasi, go la what dano me won't be da. On go da or you say. But who now take a decision? You don't behave like that.
Okay.
It has problem, no. A striker or best go. And one when I say conversation is started because has bono be and chess more goalkeeping problem. Your more defense will be and chess more defensive problem.
Attack no.
And yet the best goes in the amamo no. What I say, it is argument say winning team, and for that matter, and then. Mimi, it is neither here nor there. In any case, us will not win the league. This season, you will not win the league. Team Ninja strong enough.
I bet my winning
league. You know, inti. Mu make sure say Asare na beden eba beda na dey because wanda go dudua ya tiasem yem fe no eno de omo tiasesa se wanda go wama na anda consistently we will not allow say yem fe no eno ensi da.
All right,
eti e omo masama say obeko akwa jiska dia brom the last time the over $250,000 na buy $250,000 no de break kotoko. This is over here. Saska we anim. Now say league I want to mean. You say oh na. Wa wasama.
Okay, but that's